Who doesn't love a comforting plate of ground beef and rice? It's easy, filling, and perfect for a busy weeknight. But there's more to it than just cooking beef and rice together. Um, it's I mean, so today, let me walk you through a process to create something truly delicious. All right. Start with a pound of ground beef. It's affordable and readily available. But here's the kicker. Opt for an 80-20 meat to fat ratio for that perfect flavor balance. Render that fat over medium heat until the beef is brown and deliciously crumbly. Remember to season early. Salt and pepper are basic, but a teaspoon each of paprika and garlic powder can elevate everything. Mix these into your browned beef for extra depth. By this point, your kitchen will already smell amazing. Add your chopped onion and bell pepper, half an onion and one whole pepper should do. Then cook these down until they're soft and aromatic. It's essential to add vegetables now because they soak up all that seasoned beefy goodness. Once the veggies are soft, stir in a cup of uncooked rice. I prefer long grain, but feel free to experiment. Ensure every grain is nicely coated in the beefy mixture. This step guarantees your rice absorbs maximum flavor. Here comes the important part. Add 2 cups of beef broth and 1 cup of tomato sauce. Stir these in gently, scraping any stuck bits from the pan's bottom. Trust me, those stuck bits are flavor bombs waiting to explode in your mouth. Bring everything to a gentle boil, then reduce it to a simmer. Cover your pan and let it do its thing. This process should take about 20 minutes. Here's where the magic happens. The rice cooks and melds with all those rich flavors. Check occasionally by fluffing with a fork to ensure nothing sticks. If the rice seems too dry, add a splash more broth. Cooking isn't rigid, it's adaptable. This tip is crucial for avoiding a sticky, undercooked mess. Let's talk about common issues. And ever find your dish tasting flat? A squirt of lemon juice brings brightness and balances the flavors. It's a quick fix for dullness that anyone can do. And try it. You won't regret it. Once your rice is perfectly tender, kill the heat. Let stand covered for 5 minutes. This resting period allows everything to settle and intensify. A pro tip here is to refrain from uncovering too soon. Patience rewards with even better flavor. Some optional garnishes can make a huge difference. Consider chopped parsley for freshness or shredded cheese for creaminess. Personalizing with toppings doesn't just add flavor, it creates a visually stunning dish everyone loves. That's the kind of mending of the kitchen. And there you have it, folks. A simple, delicious ground beef and rice dish. It might not have the elaborate flair of a gourmet meal, but sometimes it's the straightforward food that hits closest to home. Give it a shot and let me know how it goes.